Welcome back to the channel. Happy holidays, guys. Hope you guys preparing to have fun with the family, but doing all that, please stay safe. Okay. For today's video, I'm making a strawberry lemon cake, upside down lemon cake. Yes, that's a mouthful. This one was a real hit. I get a good feedback on this one. So if you want to see how I achieved this one, very simple, just keep on watching and catch you at the end of the video, guys. here is the outcome of our cake, and I'm going to allow this to cool down so we can see what's the inside look before sending it off. So after cool down, then we're going to flip it out. And as you see, guys, this one is very easy to prepare, but the outcome and the review that I get, it was perfect. Okay, so play around with it, guys. And if you enjoy this one, please like, share, comment. For my new supporters, welcome. Please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you won't miss another upload. And for my old supporters, big up on a lovely self. I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you guys for supporting me over the years or year, depending on the time you came on board. So with me, with all my bumbling, until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.